Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Curiosity Unlimited. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a 5x5 Rubik's Cube. So if you already know how to solve a 4x4 and 3x3, this is going to be very easy. If you don't know, you can watch my previous videos in the playlist and continue watching till the end. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing, hit like on the video. Okay, so let's start with the solution to this Rubik's Cube. So as you may be aware, there are multiple sizes of Rubik's Cube: 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7, and so on. So this one is 5x5. I have already shot the previous videos for 3x3 and 4x4, which is available on my channel. So if you want to see how to solve those, you can go ahead and check that. In this video I'm not going to show you each and every step. I'll be showing you how to do it, and then you can do as per the 4x4 and 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and you can solve it. However, if you want, any one of you want a detailed solution to this, you can let me know in the comments below, and I'll give you a detailed step-by-step solution to this video, to this Rubik's Cube. So let's start. So first we'll have to scramble it, so let's go ahead and scramble it. That looks like pretty scrambled. So now to solve it, first what we need to do is we need to create this center pieces to make it into a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So basically we have a centerpiece on each side which will not move. Any way you move, the centerpiece will remain the same, like a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So you have to make this color in all these sides. Once you do that, then you have to do it for all the faces, and then you have to match the sides, then the corners, and then you can solve the whole Rubik's Cube. So now let's start matching the centers. So I have a white here, I need a white here, 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 and here. So first we have to make a plus sign, okay, or a cross, whatever you want to say it. So what I'll do is I'll just move. So right now, because the cube is scrambled, doesn't matter how you move till you get that one face. So that's it. This thing is done. So I have this two sides. Let me just change the angle so you can see it a lot better. There you go. I think this should be better, so you can see all the sides. Okay, now I have to make this one more line. So I have to find white is here. Just change this here down so I can get that white here, and I'll move this down. I have one white face. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and make a face on the opposite side, the yellow one. Okay, so you just have to make sure that this doesn't get moved. So if I move this to make a line here like this, the white comes here, so I have to make sure that I put that white back in place. Okay, so now I have one line here. Now I'll just place. Now I have the yellow one and the white one. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just hold it like this, so my yellow and whites are here, so it wouldn't get changed. However, it will be after solving one or two, so we will need to make sure that everything goes back in place. Now let's do blue color. Okay, so we got white and yellow is still there. We got one line, we need two more lines. We got one more line. Yellow white is still there, we need one more line. So we have blue, yellow and white. Okay, so now we have only 2 left. Now this is a bit tricky part, so if you face any problems in that, you can let me know in the comments below, but I'll show you how to do it. So what you need to first do is you have to make one line here. Don't look at the sides right now, so I'll just make one line. Okay, now I have one line here. Now I have to make another line. So as I can see, I cannot put this thing here because it will come here if I change it, move it. So what I'll do is I'll just do it down here, and then it comes right in place, and then move it back. Okay, so now I have 2 lines, one line here, and this is in a different direction, so I have to just bring it here, but I cannot bring it here directly, so I'll have to first rotate it, bring it here, rotate it again, bring it here. Okay, now I have this thing. Okay, if I move it here, I bring it down, I take it here. Okay, that's how I got it. There you go, I have all the centers now. Now we need to make sides, so this is pretty easy, it's easily doable. I'll show you one and then I'll just skip to the rest. Okay, so which one I'll do, and let me do this green and pink. Okay, so I'll bring it down here, I'll find another green and pink. Yeah, here it is. Right, now see, the center one is pink here, green here, the top one is green here, pink here, and the bottom one is also green here, pink here. So if I move it here, it will not match, right? So what I need to do is I just have to change the position, the one that I'm putting in place. So now if I move this here, it will give me 2 pieces in the correct position, 1 piece in the wrong. But now if I move this down here and move this here, it gives me all 3 pieces in the correct position and flipped right. Okay, so now you just need to do that for all. So I'm just going to skip it, rather fast forward it so you can see it. So you make 4 sides. Okay, just flip it down so you don't move that, you only move the top ones. That way it'll be a bit easier. So if you are a pro already, you can move it, move just down once, but I wouldn't recommend it. So now I have 4 edge pieces on the top, 4 edge pieces on the bottom, and 4 edge pieces on the middle part. Now what I don't have anything to replace with this piece, so what I will do is I'll just take the already done piece down here, 2 pieces, and get 2 unsolved pieces up here, and I have 2 unsolved pieces here, so 4 pieces I have to solve. But so I'll keep 2 in top, so I have pieces to replace. Now what I need to do is I have to find this one. So now I have 3 unsolved pieces. Now what you need to make sure here is you have 3 unsolved pieces till the end, so you can solve it without any parity. Otherwise there is one parity that will come where you will have to use an algorithm to solve it. Let's try and see if we can solve it without parity. If the parity comes, we'll see what to do. See, I can solve it. I can solve this piece directly by moving both of them here, but I'm not doing that. I'm just moving one, rather not here. I'll try and move it here. Okay, then I'll put this up, this down, this here. Okay, so what I did is, oops, okay, I solved it. Now I have a parity. So how do I get rid of it? Let's see. So the problem with this parity is we have two opposite pieces, which is fine, but we have one, flipped piece, which is not fine. So what we need to do is, first we have to get this piece is correct. So there is one algorithm that we can do here to get this white piece here and this orange piece here. Okay, let's try that algorithm. So that algorithm goes as left up, top twice, left up, top twice, front twice, left up, front twice, right up, top twice, right down, top twice, left twice. Okay, now see what we did here is we have solved the unflipped one, right? Now we have two orange and green, two white and green. Now what we can do is we can put this green, we can just change the piece from here to here, so we have both of them opposite to each other. Okay, we'll just keep it on the left side and we'll do the algorithm on the right side. The same algorithm again, left up, top 2, left up, top 2, front 2, left up, front 2, right up, top 2, right down, top 2, left 2. So we have solved the parity. Now we can solve this Rubik's cube like a 3x3 Rubik's cube. So let's just try to solve it. We have white and orange here, we'll match it here. We have blue and white here, so we'll just take it here. So we have blue and have to solve it. There you go, 4x4 Rubik's cube solved. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Do give a thumbs up, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.